Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to push our code into GitHub. So I have GitHub account. So in this GitHub account I will create a new repository. The repository name is Angular lesson. So whenever you create your project, it's very important to push them in the GitHub so that your GitHub score will be increased on daily basis. That is one thing. And the second thing is how you can stay consistent and your consistency will be measured. And it's very important to save your application in the cloud. Otherwise, anytime your local application may destroy. Okay, so that save them safely in our cloud. Here the cloud is nothing but the GitHub. Okay, I have created a repository. The repository name is Angular lesson. So here there are certain comments. Okay, so git init, everything we will apply them in our VS Code. So for that, in the VS Code terminal, we will have git bash. If you haven't installed git bash yet, I request you to install the git bash. And you see, once you have installed the git bash, it will show you the directives name and also the branch, the master branch. So currently I am working in the master branch. So it will ask us to git init. So already git is initialized, but anyway I do it again. So git is reinitialized. Okay, that's fine. So once it is done, again I go to the GitHub. It is asking to add this one, but in our case we have already done so many things in my previous component section. So we can see this here. If I click this, there is a source control and within the changes are there. So from the changes, it's supposed to go to stages. So I type git add and dot. So it will add all the things which is there in the changes is moved to stage changes. Okay, once it is gone there, then we will give git commit -m is nothing but message. So we give a message Angular lesson project is created. That's all guys. I committed this in the local repository. Now I want to connect it with the GitHub. So how to connect it? So there is a guide. So here the remote branch should be added. So when we created the repository, it gives how to connect them. So we just simply have to copy it and paste it in the git bash. Okay, I think for better visibility, I just take this up. Okay. Now the remote is added successfully. Now we should publish them and push them into GitLab or GitHub. For that, I just do copy git push u. Okay. Oh, sorry. I just copied pasted, but doesn't work. Git push origin master. I type it and let's see the result. Yes, it is enumerating. Enumerate means it is being pushed into our remote repository. Okay, what is our remote repository? It is nothing but the Git repository. So if you refresh this page, see guys, whatever we have done in our Angular application, that has come. Okay, we have created app and there are home component and navbar component. See guys, if you want to work with the same application, you can take simply clone from here. Just go to the code and also there is HTTPS. Choose the HTTPS and copy it, and in your local just give git clone and paste this URL and enter, so that it will be imported into your local system. Okay, then from there you can run with ng serve command. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask guys. I am ready to help you. Thank you. I meet you in the next video in the detailed component session. Thank you.